Hey lads, TechScanning here. So we are now just a matter of few days away from the OnePlus Cloud 11 event. Yes, right on the 7th of February, the brand will unveil its first ever OnePlus Pad alongside its most awaited OnePlus 11 series handsets and some other devices. A few days back, OnePlus itself gave us a sneak peek of its first tablet, and also the popular tipster On Leaks shared some renders that I talked about in my earlier video. But now the OnePlus Pad official promo image just leaked out by the same tipster, and unlike the earlier teaser, this image is giving us a lot more clear picture. As seen before, there will be a massive circular camera cutout on the back of the tablet. This image confirmed that there will be only a single camera sensor and a flashlight. Unlike most tablets, OnePlus has gone for a different design language with the rear camera module located in the middle near the edge. It seems like OnePlus wants to mark its unique design in this crowded market. Other than that, OnePlus Pad is pretty similar to many other tablets featuring slim enough bezels. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Moving forward, a new leak revealed that the OnePlus Pad will also launch in China later, but under the name of Oppo Pad 2. Further, the report suggests slightly different specs than before. The OnePlus Pad is most likely to sport an 11.6 inches 2K resolution LCD display with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, which was earlier tipped to be a 120Hz. Moreover, as per the well-reputed leaker Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus Pad will get a MediaTek 9000 chipset instead of a Snapdragon. As cameras are not the primary focus of tablets, so there will be nothing special. A 13 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front cam, which will be enough for scanning and video calling purposes. Of course, there will be multiple RAM and storage configurations, but most likely you will get max 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage option. While there is no exact prices at the moment, but with these new specs, be ready to see something around $500. Of course, for any information, I will keep you updated, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.